JMS and we're doing fireworks! Yay!
Oh, first firework!
First firework.
Back up, guys. Back up.
Okay, we're making the interview.
Here we go!
First firework.
I hope you guys can see it. Yes, you can!
Back up. Nope.
Maddie, stay away.
Hey guys.
Here we go! They're the ground ones, so they're not the big. Whoa ho ho.
Dude, this is gonna be a yeah. That was the first firework. Yes, broken. Put a thumbs up if you like that firework. Put a thumbs up.
Happy birthday, America! Hurrah!
Yeah, happy birthday, America. Happy birthday, America. America, happy 4th of July.
Happy birthday, America! July 4th. Here we go.
Firework. If it even works. I don't think the next firework is gonna work. I don't think that. Oh, there's gonna be a second firework. The next firework is coming. No, it's not. Oh! Oh!
Colors!
Oh, you guys, put a thumbs up on this one. Happy America!
I have them do it, yeah.
I'm freezing. Maddie! Happy. There's Maddie.
Woo!
We got a show going on now.
That was a sky firework right there. Oh yeah! Leave a like on this video.
If you like this, then give it a thumbs up. If you like second firework.
That was a good one.
And comment and subscribe.
Here comes the third firework.
Let it go, Mike.
Third firework.
Guys, you can't even see how high this is going. Yeah, boy.
Fireworks would be such a great way to torture someone. Just put them on top of a firework and light it. Maddie!
Yeah, boy.
That's loud!
Comment if you even
Oh, say, can you
That
see?
was big. Next firework.
Oh, the dawn early night.
Okay, guys, here we go.
Oh!
Guys, back up to the big one.
Devin, you're gonna trip over here.
I'm gonna show you guys the grand finale totally. Maddie is creeping out. Maddie is scared to death. Maddie is scared to death.
No, I videotaped Maddie over there.
Maddie's scared to death. She's like running like, oh
They're
my.
gonna be like,
I feel so bad.
next firework.
Boys,
Yeah?
after this one goes, come stand over here. Because Mr. Mike is doing fireworks and you can watch up there, they go boom. So after this one, you guys come over here and you can watch his fireworks too.
Okay.
Oh, baby.
Guess what? Here comes one. No. Oh, what's this, Dad? Here you go. Go.
It's over here.
Come over here, boys. I be running too.
Dang, after he started.
Put them on YouTube separate.
Yeah, I am.
Everyone's having a good time. Because it's the 4th of July.
Right here. Welcome to Firework Episode 2.
It's a 4th of July party.
4th of July party. Firework. There's high ones. There's going to be some high ones.
Well then.
Wow. Wow.
I can't even see you.
I can see you. Wait, I think a high one's coming. Guy. Oh, guys, put it up in there. Michael.
He never shot one up yet. He didn't shoot one up yet.
But he's gonna.
Just show those. Oh my god, look at that pink.
Until you hear a boom.
Look at that pink.
I think
There's
he's
a
going to.
pink flame.
He's running one.
He's going to one. I know he is. Okay, guys, a big firework. Whoa.
This is in our backyard.
Up in the sky. It's up in the sky.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Nice.
Me too.
Oh, did you get it?
He's over there. You want to be over there. That's the spot to be.
Sophia,
Yeah, we're
Hi,
making
Sophia.
we're making YouTube videos. Guess what? I ate ice cream.
Oh.
You want to know something? When we kidnapped you,
We had brownie cake.
Sophia, when we kidnapped you, it was fun, and we felt bad at the same time. Yeah, like,
We saw you crying in the booth.
I'm sorry, Sophia.
I know, I'm really tired.
I'm sorry. I really didn't mean to fight you.
Yeah, but you kidnapped her. Well, you didn't really kidnap her.
I think the one top.
That would be sad. Now it could be. Oh yeah, we should have kidnapped you.
Where's your phone, Dad?
What?
Where's the radio? Okay.
The radio's playing. You can't stop it. You can't stop the song.
No, we're playing this song.
I'm gonna play the America song.
This isn't. Listen, this is gonna kick in.
Stop.
Oh no, guys, back over there. Get too close.
I wanna play the America song.
Back over there.
I wanna play the America song,
Listen
Dad.
to the song. It's one they play during fireworks.
Oh.
Oh,
Turn it up.
It's as loud as it goes, unfortunately.
Oh, Mike. Mike's gonna be sending one, so.
Dad. Mike and Anya.
Mike and Annie.
Daddy and Anya.
First we'll see ya.
Oh, guys!
Look at my view.
Whoa. I think Mike's saying one.
Look at my fire.
Here we go.
Next firework!
I think he's throwing a howl on mine.
Guys, are you ready?
Damn it! Look at Joey. What's my view? Yeah, I know. Avery!
Well, that was quick.
You watch it, the bigger ones are coming.
Oh, boy.
Alright, guys. Coming down here.
Episode 3.
Episode 3, boys!
I'm still on episode 1.
Ready?
Oh!
Avery!
Are we getting to a firework?
My butt. I want another firework.
bigger ones.
Yes!
Yeah!
Big ones.
This is air ones. I don't like air ones.
You don't like air ones? How
Air
dare
ones are
you?
Cool.
How dare you?
I love air ones. Your dad can go to jail if the police catch
Ready,
him.
guys?
Yeah.
Joey, can my dad go to jail?
Well, it's kind of illegal, but
No.
I don't think he's gonna go to jail.
Yeah, it's illegal. Mom! Mommy! Is it illegal to light fireworks?
No, not anymore.
For air fireworks?
Boom! Dad, next one.
All right, we're waiting for Leslie. We lost Leslie.
We don't need Leslie!
No.
She came only here for the fireworks!
In the bathroom.
Is she?
She's gonna watch the fireworks.
Just wait a few minutes, boys.
Alright guys, we're waiting a few minutes, so
We don't know what to do.
we don't know what to do. I'll show you the fire.
I'm gonna jump in the pool.
Let's light another one, guys.
They're lighting more,
Light fireworks!
so we can do this stuff while we're waiting. Woo!
Fourth of July party!
I'm loving this.
We're living the dream!
I can't even see you.
Leslie's coming!
Yeah!
Come on! Start the fireworks!
Mom, Leslie's coming. Dad!
Down range.
Leslie!
Lay it off.
Light it!
There he goes. Mike's lighting one, boys. Sophia.
It's not your dad.
This is a live stream. No, it's not.
Your dad didn't like that.
Woo!
Dad, it goes higher.
Dad, next one, Leslie's out.
He got it.
Now we lost April.
Oh, we lost April now?
One more, that's it.
Now we lost April.
Grand finale.
Grand finale.
Here we go.
That's my fireworks.
Yep. Those are Sophia's.
Grand finale of Sophia's. I better.
And listen to the music. It sounds like a grand finale.
Yeah, that was the worst grand finale ever. No, my dad did that.
As soon as April gets back, we'll light them up. There she is. All right, over against the fence, guys.
Alright guys!
Over against the fence.
I'm going to have to make another episode
There you go.
because this is 13 minutes.
Here comes the courthouse.
Back up, guys. Back up. Back up.
Hi, Jordan.
Hey, Joe.
Oh my God.